And next point, allotropy. The elements of group 16 are exhibit allotropy. Like oxygen are shows two allotrophs like O2 and O3. Sulfur are also exist number of allotropes like chromic, then monoclinic. These are two allotropes of sulfur. Then selenium are also exist in two types of these allotropes like red are nothing but non-metallic and gray are metallic in nature. Then tellurium exists in two allotropes like crystalline tellurium and amorphous tellurium. Then last polonium, it also forms two allotropes like alpha polonium and beta polonium. These both alpha and beta are metallic in nature. These allotropes of sulfur, there are two allotropes of sulfur, alpha sulfur and beta sulfur. These alpha sulfur are also called as rhombic sulfur or these are pale yellow in color. While monoclinic sulfur, beta sulfur are bright yellow in color. It is solid in nature. The shape of this rhombic sulfur, these are rhombic sulfur and monoclinic sulfur are shown by indifference like some following points like shape. Rhombic sulfur has orthorhombic crystal. Monoclinic sulfur has needle shaped monoclinic crystals. The melting point of rhombic sulfur is 385.8 Kelvin, while monoclinic sulfur is 393 Kelvin. The density of this rhombic sulfur is 2.069 per cubic centimeter, while monoclinic sulfur is 1.989 per cubic centimeter. The solubility of this rhombic sulfur is insoluble in water but soluble in carbon disulfide. But this monoclinic sulfur also soluble in carbon disulfide. The stability of this rhombic sulfur, it is stable at temperature below 369 Kelvin and it is transformed into the beta sulfur when temperature rises or increases. Monoclinic sulfur are stable at below temperature 369 Kelvin while it also transfers or transforms into alpha sulfur when below its temperature. The structure of this rhombic sulfur are acid molecule with Poker ring structure. Both are opposite acid molecule with Poker ring structure. Then method of preparation, rhombic sulfur are prepared by evaporation of raw sulfur in carbon disulfide, while monoclinic sulfur are when monoclinic sulfur prepared from rhombic sulfur when melt in dish, then cooled till crust is formed. Two holes are made in crust, remain liquid, which are poured out to give needle shape texture. These are nothing but beta sulfur or monoclinic sulfur. Then oxoacids. Some oxoacids of sulfur, like structure are shown here. Oxoacids of sulfur are occurs like sulfurous acid, which is H2SO3, then sulfuric acid, H2SO4, then third peroxomonosulfuric acid. This is also called as Carrot's acid, having formula H2SO5. Then peroxodisulfuric acid. It is also called as Marshall's acid. This formula of this Marshall's acid is S2OH. Here bridge of this two sulfur with two oxygen atoms. And last, oxoacids of sulfur is dithionic acids like two sulfur here adjacent to each other having formula S2S2O6. Then oxoacids of halogens, hypochlorous acids which HOCl. Then chlorous acid HCl, HClO2. Chloric acid HClO3 and perchloric acid HClO4. This is some oxoacids of halogen atoms. Thank you. The compounds of sulfur 7.10. The sulfur dioxide main formula SO2. Sulfur dioxide SO2. For preparation, sulfur are prepared. We sulfur dioxide are prepared from sulfur with oxidation reaction like sulfur plus O2. It gives sulfur dioxide. Then second method from sulfite NO2SO3 plus H2SO4. Then it forms sulfur dioxide gas H2O and Na2SO4 means the sulfur sodium sulfate plus CH2O plus SO2. In third method, it is the industrial method. It is prepared from sulfides. Zinc sulfide plus thrice O2. It forms zinc oxide plus sulfur dioxide. And it is also prepared from ferric sulfide like FeS2 or FeS2 plus 11 oxygen molecules are necessary for this reaction. Then it forms twice Fe2O3 plus 8 SO2 molecules. Then next, physical properties of sulfur dioxide. First property, the sulfur dioxide is colorless gas with pungent gas or pungent smell. Then it is poisonous in nature. Then sulfur dioxide are highly soluble in water and its solution of the sulfur dioxide is called sulfurous acid. Then fourth property, when it liquefies at room temperature under pressure of 2 atmosphere and boils at 263 Kelvin. Then chemical properties. When the sulfur dioxide reacts with chlorine, then it forms SO2Cl2. Like in reaction SO2 gas plus Cl2 gas, it gives SO2Cl2. Then reaction with oxygen, the sulfur dioxide reacts with oxygen molecules, then it forms twice SO3. Then reaction with NaOH, twice NaOH are react with SO2, then it forms Na2SO3 plus H2O. Then reaction with Na2SO3. Na2SO3 react with S2 and plus SO2. Then it forms sodium bisulfite like formula twice NaHSO3. Then fourth, reducing properties. The moist sulfur dioxide are reduces in ferric salt into ferrous salt. Twice Ap3 plus sulfur dioxide moist means twice H2O and then it form ferrous salt like twice Ap2 plus SO2 4 2 minus plus 4H plus. Then second, when moist sulfur dioxide decolorizes in acidified potassium permanganate 7 solution like in reaction twice KMnO4 plus 5SO2 plus twice H2O. It decolorizes. It forms K2SO4 potassium sulfate plus magnesium sulfate twice MnSO4 manganese sulfate plus twice H2SO4. Then moist sulfur dioxide are reduces into halogens to form halogen acids like in reaction I2 plus SO2 plus twice H2O, then it forms sulfuric acid plus twice HI. This is halogen iodic acid. Then structure of sulfur dioxide. Sulfur dioxide are angular in structure with OSO bond angle is about 119.5 degree. This bond length of sulfur oxygen is 1.431 angstrom. The last point of the sulfur dioxide uses of sulfur dioxide. First use of sulfur dioxide, it is used in refining of petroleum and sugar. The second, it is also used in bleaching of wool and silk. Then third, it is used in anti-clor and disinfectant. It is also used as a preservative. Then fifth, it is also used in manufacture of sulfuric acid and sodium bisulfate. Last use of the sulfur dioxide. When the sulfur dioxide are in liquid state, it is used as a solvent to dissolve number of organic as well as inorganic chemicals. Thank you.